Hi, Jani King. This is Robert with Louisville Digital Marketing, and I'm sending you this quick video to give you some tips on how to have your website speak in Google's language so you can start bringing in more customers for free. I'm doing this because I used to own a roofing company in Louisville, and I understand that business owners reach the point where they're so busy running a business they don't have time to sit in front of a computer screen and keep their website updated so that the customers keep coming in the front door. We found the only thing holding back owners from hiring their own marketing agency is obviously they don't know what marketing agencies are going to be an expert or which ones are going to be a waste of time and money. So we found that by giving the value up front and giving away these attack plans, there's a lot of owners who end up reaching out to us and asking us for help so they can get this stuff completed. So after this video, you can see that we know what we're talking about, and you know that we can deliver good work for you. You can always give us a call, and we can have a chat, or if you want to take the information and use it for free education, that's okay. I'm going to talk about 3 quick topics today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage, and it looks pretty good. You got a nice page here. But unfortunately, Google isn't ranking based on the appearance of your site. Google is actually using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning all the content within your website to try and find keywords to rank you for search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the home page and at least 500 words on each service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb, 100 words of content for every 1 keyword. If your website is set up like this, it helps Google see that you're an expert in your industry, not a spam site, and Google will put your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. So I'm using this keyword, which is cleaning services in Cincinnati, and you can see the top of this page is all ads, and it's a real big gamble for these people because a lot of people are using ad blockers nowadays so that they don't see these ads. So it's not good. But the next area is the Google map. Now, Google map is a more trusted area for search on Google, and an area that most people click on, where mobile users click on more often. So by getting stellar reviews, it will keep you on the top. And the next thing you want to get is more citations. So what's a citation? A citation is just an online directory like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or White Pages. There are thousands of directories you can put your website on, and you always want to get more than your competition is so that you can rank higher than them. We have the tools to find out which directories your competition is on and how to put more on for you. The next section is the organic section, and this is basically a Google dance to find out who's going to be number 1 on this. So next we will use a competitor to compare against your website to this website. And we're using this one in Cincinnati. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. It's the Cleaning Authority. So we'll use them for the remainder of it because they seem to be doing something right. They have hardly any content, but the way they do their mega tags or their descriptions within their pages is what Google is really registering, and it's giving them more authority. So we want to fix that. They're going to be easy for you guys to be at the top. Now, we use a tool for the back end, and it's called Ahrefs, and it basically takes all Google's analytics and puts them together for you at one spot. So the 19 is the UR. That's what Google thinks of you guys. And the 54 is your domain ranking. You must be with some other people in other areas because the domain rating is high. But you only got 23 backlinks on here with 15 sites. And you've got 55 keywords that you're ranking for, and you've got a traffic of 100 people. Now, and we can find out how much that traffic is coming from your advertising and your people that are that you're working with, because all this front up here, all the 30, 60, 70, 80, 90 are all, so there's about 70 or 80 on there. And all that is from, whoops, I got off a page here. So the traffic was 100. So about 30 of them is coming from other locations. And about 70 or 80 is coming from when people put in Jan King. And that's how they're getting there. Now, there's this other website that we're using, Clean. They have quite a bit on here, but they're not, they've got stuff hidden inside of these pictures. And if you look at their site, they've got about the same domain rating, but, and they got a little more backlinks, but look at the traffic they're getting in, 838 traffic. So we could do this for you. We could get you up to this kind of traffic. If you're interested in doing this, you may have enough leads. The 100 leads may be enough for you, but we could push you all the way up to the top. So there's a lot of information here, but I just wanted to show you what we can do and how we look at things. And the main thing you want is more backlinks, more citations, more keywords with more content, mega descriptions, mega tags. These are the things that you need. And you could be ranking for this much traffic as well. So thank you for watching. And if we need to talk to a main office or something, if you could just leave the link in there where we could talk to somebody, or if you're the right person to talk to, that's great. Just give us a call back if you're interested. Thanks a lot. Bye.